Hello, parents and students. Welcome to our virtual open house. Due to our COVID restrictions, we are no longer going to have a traditional open house this school year. So instead, each of your teachers are putting together a little video to welcome you back to the school year. So welcome to the 2021 COVID school year. As you can imagine, things are not going to be the same in traditional school years as they have been in the past. Your teachers and staff and principals and superintendent's office have been working around the clock most of the summer trying to come up with a plan to keep everybody healthy and safe. Our current plan has been set forth, and we plan to follow that plan accordingly. However, that plan can change any minute based on whatever the governor decides the next best step may be for us. So with that being said, this is my plan. My name is Mrs. Owens, and I'm teaching high school remediational math for those that are struggling with the ISTEP. And I also have been assigned 2 middle school PE classes this school year. So let's start off with high school remediation. I've changed classrooms. I am no longer down across from Mrs. Lear. I am in the classroom of B4. B4 is located at the bottom of the ramp. For those that know where Mr. Vaughn's classroom was, that is now me. I am in B4. So before we get started with some of my classroom expectations, we're going to do a virtual tour of my new classroom. So as you walk in the door, as you can see, my class is already been set up with the desk at the social distancing requirements. As you see, we are evenly spaced apart to roughly our 6 foot. Okay, so basically this is the classroom setup. I'm sure you'd much rather see this than me anyhow, but back to me. So for Math Lab, a few things that you need to bring with you on a daily basis. Math Lab is, again, the class that's going to give you, hopefully, the skills that you need to get over the hump and pass the I-STEP or prepare you better for the I-STEP. This class will need to have a pocket folder. This is a pocket folder. Okay, I don't need trapper keepers or big notebooks or anything elaborate. You just need a pocket folder. If you do not have a pocket folder, no worries. Mrs. Owens will provide you a pocket folder. You'll need to have a pencil on a daily basis. I'm a strong believer that math is done in pencil, not pen. Again, Mrs. Owens has lots of pencils if you need one. You also need to have a calculator on a daily basis, and your calculator is not your phone. Okay. Your calculator is a calculator. Okay. We will do lots of different activities and prep to help us get better fluent with our algebra skills to help us get us moving on to pass that I-STEP test. And as of right now, the I-STEP is still a requirement for graduation, so it is important that you take the I-STEP, that you take it as an important type test. All right, let's move on. So again, that's algebra remediation. Most of you are juniors if you're taking this class. So let's switch gears to middle school PE. Middle school PE looks a little different than years past because of our COVID restrictions and our safety. Our current plan right now is middle school PE will not dress out and use the locker rooms to change for PE. It has to do with being able to social distance and the maximum amount of students allowed in our locker room and sanitation purposes. So middle school PE is not dressing for PE. However, middle school PE is still having middle school PE. We're still doing activities. We're still going outside. We're still doing things that will be safe. So with that in mind, tennis shoes are required for middle school PE on a daily basis. You must have them. If you want to wear flip-flops, sandals, or whatever to school, that's fine, but you must also have tennis shoes that you can put on and change into. Okay? On certain days of the week, we still have to do cardio. We still have to work out. Those days you will know in advance what days those are, so you can prepare and prep and wear the appropriate clothes to school that day. So if you know Tuesday is going to be a cardio day, girls, you don't want to be in a dress. Okay? You want to be in a comfortable pair of shorts and probably a t-shirt or leggings or whatever that may be, because we still have to have requirements and we still have standards that we have to follow. We just can't do them the old-fashioned way. So middle school PE looks a little bit different this year. Attendance will be taken in the bleachers with a seating chart. Everybody will have their own seating chart. You will sit there every day, and you will be evenly spaced out, meeting those COVID restrictions. So just a few things to be prepared for. Again, when we come into the building on the first day, second day, third day, lots and lots of changes taking place. And we'll go over in more detail those changes and expectations in the classroom. If you have any questions throughout the school year, please don't hesitate to email me, and I will get back with you with any of those questions or answers to those questions you may have. If nothing else, I will see you guys on the first day of school. Peace out.